Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your XIAOMI OpenWear. Firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and after that you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Remove them from the charging case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. Inside of the case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly, it started blinking white. It's okay, just enter to panic mode, don't worry, just keep holding this button. And here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and we need to reconnect them with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button, but if you have, you need to click on it. And if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically. So you just tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!